Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to create a new Word document. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. There are several ways to create a new Word document. The simplest and most obvious way is to use a shortcut on the desktop. Double-click, blank document, and the new Word document is created. We also have the option to create a new document from the Word menu. Click File, New, Blank Document, and another new Word document has been created. As you can see, the first is document 1 and the second is document 2. But if for some reason you don't have a shortcut on your desktop, then you can create a new document via the Start button or the search bar. I work on Windows 11, but all of the following steps are also suitable for earlier versions. Click the leftmost button in the search field and type Word. The same is done via the Start button. Click on Start and type Word. The application is found, click on it, and a new document is created. For convenience, the Word can be pinned to the taskbar. Right-click and select Pin to Taskbar. The Word shortcut has appeared on the taskbar and can now be used. Finally, if you use File Explorer, it won't be difficult to create a new Word document. Right-click on an empty space and select New and then Microsoft Word document. A new Word file has been created. That's all. Now in Ultima.